Hey, this is Max here, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the main menu inside ManyChat. It's something that's not so super complicated, but I think there's some small things that you need to know, so let's just dive right in. So your main menu you can find under the automation tab, and then you get a page that looks somewhat like this. Now what the main menu basically allows you to do is to add a few items to a menu that then will appear in Messenger. So on mobile they will appear on the bottom of the screen, and on desktop people can just click a little hamburger icon to fold out the menu. And the buttons that you can add to the main menu can either open a link, so maybe use that to link to your own website, or you can use the buttons to start another flow. But what I think is important is that if you're going to use these buttons to start another flow, that it is important to keep in mind that that might disrupt the flow that they're currently in. So what I mean with that is that someone is talking to your bot and then they're suddenly like, hey, what is this button for? Like, people are curious, right? They click it and then suddenly another flow starts and there's no way for people to undo that. So maybe that ruins the user experience, and worst case, those two flows will basically be sent at the right time, so that can be very confusing. So what I like to do, and what I maybe also recommend doing, is to include two buttons to link to your website. So I have one that just links to my homepage, and then I have one that links to my courses page, and then I have one button that starts an unsubscribe flow. Now, why did I include an unsubscribe button here? I just want to make it super duper easy for people to unsubscribe from my bot if they don't want to receive messages anymore. This really also helps with keeping your block rate down, and that's really important as well. So that was this tutorial about the main menu already. If you have any questions for this for some reason, then sure, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a little thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this.